welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Afine. If you're new, hi, welcome. Please do to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoy it, and please turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And you're not, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute that I did like a sit down video. I've been busy exploring Cross River State, and honestly I love that for me, even though it did put like a little hole in my pocket for someone who doesn't have a job yet. And no problem, I don't mind. And if you have not seen this content, I'm going to link them in the description box down below. Please do also check them out after you're done watching this one. Yeah, please check them out, like, drop your comments, and let me know which other places you really like to see in Cross River State, and trust me, I got you. So the good part about today's video is that we have like our first YouTube sponsor. I equally don't believe this, like, girl, I have a YouTube sponsor. So our first YouTube sponsor is the subscribe button, YouTube subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel, support me by subscribing. It means like a lot to me. Please, I am begging you, please, okay? Thank you. So let's jump right into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different things that will save you money times 5, in fact times 10 in 2023. So yeah, I'm going to basically be talking about things that if you learn how to do them for yourself, you're going to save more money. Like, imagine if you know how to do most of these things for yourself, at the end of the year you now be like, okay, let's say for example, every time you want to go and get this thing done, like the bare minimum or like the most basic of these things done, and then you do it for yourself, put that money somewhere, just title it, let's say makeup, just title it makeup, and then every time you did your makeup, you put that money you're supposed to give to like a makeup artist into like a special saving account or something. At the end of the year, you see like how much you were able to save. So basically that's what we are going to be doing in this video. And the first thing on my list, I've said it already, is makeup. Guys, learn how to do your makeup yourself. It's going to save you time and it's going to save you money. It's also going to help you look put together like most of the times, because this is something you can do for yourself, so there's no need of going to meet like a professional to do it for you. And another thing is that the prices these makeup artists are giving us out there is too high. It's outrageous, it's ridiculous. Yeah, makeup products is expensive, but come on, it's too much. Learn how to do your makeup yourself. Imagine if I knew how to do my makeup by myself. I won't sit down here for me so pretty, even though I know that I'm pretty, but at least I'll get my makeup done and come sit down and film this video. So imagine I went to meet a makeup artist, or I'm going to meet a makeup artist every time I need to get my makeup done to film. Like every time I need to film for YouTube, I'm going to meet a makeup artist to get it done. I'm spending like too much money I don't even get. I'm spending too much. Do you understand? So this is something I'm learning, like, not yet, but I have plans of like learning how to do them for myself. So the makeup, the money you're spending for like the makeup, use them, buy your makeup products, come on YouTube and watch tutorials. I've seen like videos you can do with like, you can do like the barest makeup, like something minimal with 5 products. Right now, ask me why I have not gotten the 5 products and done that. Like, but yeah, learn how to do your makeup in 2023. Like, you should learn how to do your makeup. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you time, and you always go out looking put together, looking snatched. Imagine you're like going out with the girls, you get your makeup done. So are you going to go and meet a makeup artist to do your makeup when every time you're going out with the girls for brunch or dates and all those kind of things? It's quite understandable if you're going for a wedding and you go meet a professional. That's fine. You didn't want to do your makeup and you went, okay. So now you're going for brunch. Are you going to meet a makeup artist to get your makeup done? Do you understand my point? Go and learn how to do your makeup today. The second point I have on my list for this video is your hair. Your hair, yeah, your hair. It's giving, this video is directed to like the females alone, like the ladies alone, but don't worry, my fifth point is like a special point, so just keep on watching. Now back to your hair. Like again, learn how to do this simple do-it-yourself hairstyles for yourself. It's not every time you need to do something with your hair that you have to go meet a professional to do it for you. Learn how to relax your hair, learn how to style your hair. It also helps you look put together. Like use Pinterest, use YouTube, use TikTok. There are so many things you can do for yourself by yourself. Not like anytime, okay, now you don't have like money right now to go to the salon and get your hair done, so you're going to now be looking crusty because you don't have the money to get your hair done. Unlike, okay, you learn how to do like these things for yourself. I didn't say learn how to braid your hair. No, if you can learn, it's a bonus, that's fine, but learn how to style your hair. Use Pinterest, I've said this already. Use YouTube, use TikTok, style your hair. Sis, nobody will know you're broke. Like nobody will know that you don't have a dime in your account because you're looking put together. You know how to do these things for yourself. Even if you're going, you could even take yourself out on a date with just basic 2K because already you've styled your hair for yourself. You don't do your makeup. See you looking like you spent ₦1 million when you didn't, because you know how to do these things for yourself. Don't sleep on yourself in 2023. Like don't do that. Okay, so learn how to make your hair, not like at least the barest minimum. Learn how to do it yourself. It will save you money. Look at every time you want to stretch your hair, you went to the salon and paid money to stretch your hair. Now you could save that money and get a stretcher. Check on YouTube how to stretch your hair by yourself and then stretch your hair yourself. You have a stretcher and you're doing it. So now you now have a stretcher. Now in the future, anytime you stretch your hair, put the money you're supposed to give to the hair stylist, put it somewhere. I stretched my hair for today. Like, do you understand? So it's going to save you money. Learn how to stretch your hair. Learn how to stretch your hair. The third point on my list for this video is your nails. Yeah, you heard me right, your nails. Learn how to take care of your nails. Learn how to do your nails yourself. Learn how to do these things for yourself, by yourself. It's going to save you money. It's not every time you want to paint your nails or something you have to go meet a nail tech to get it done for you. You could learn how to do it yourself. If you learn how to fix your nails yourself, a bonus, that's also very okay, but at least learn how to do like the barest minimum with your nails to like keep it clean. Not okay, you can't do these things for yourself, then you now be carrying dirty nails around until when you book an appointment with a nail tech or something to take care of your nails. No, don't do that. Learn how to do it yourself. It's going to save you money, it's going to save you time, and it's going to also help you look put together most of the time. Like, sis, you won't be caught unfresh. Okay, the fourth point on my list for this video is your clothes. Guys, buy clothes you need and would wear. I used to be guilty of buying clothes and I end up not wearing them. I will keep them until like I give them out. And I was just like buying. Most of the stuff I bought, I couldn't like maximize them. I couldn't wear them to some occasions, to some events. I couldn't style this and then look good. It was just all over the place. Do you understand? And I was wasting money. So even though I was buying clothes, I didn't have what to wear. Most of the times when I'm going out, I don't have what to wear. But I was buying clothes and I was wasting money, which is not nice. So buy clothes you need. You know you would wear them, or you know that okay, even if you see a piece of clothing that, let's say you won't even wear them now, but you know in the future, okay, I might be going for a cocktail party. Let's say you saw like a cocktail now, I might be going for a cocktail party in the future. I would need this. You can buy, and you know that okay, in the future you would actually wear them. So buy clothes you need, buy clothes you can maximize, buy versatile clothes you can wear, mix match them. Buy clothes you can wear today. Don't just see a piece of clothing and then you're just buying. No, that's disrespectful to the money you're earning. Like, don't buy clothes, like don't spend your money like that. I know it's your money and you have the right to like spend your money anyhow you want to, but again, I didn't say don't invest in self-care or don't splurge, no, but cut it down. Let's say this video is for buddies on a budget. Let's just, so yeah, don't just buy any clothes you see, or save yourself that money. Every time you saw a clothes, again, I'm bringing this back. I've been giving you this in like every point I listed in this video. So every time you saw a clothes and you wanted to buy, and you know that you don't need that clothes, put that money somewhere, come back and thank me later. So guys, my last point for this video is impulse buying and tracking your expenses. As I joined this together, because if you learn how to track your expenses, if you learn how to track where you put your money into, or where your money is going to, or what's chopping your money, it will help you cut down buying at impulse, especially if you're like someone that easily spend money at impulse. Tracking your expenses will help you, because you're like you're self-conscious, you're conscious of where your money is going. You know what you're supposed to spend your money on and what you're not supposed to spend your money on. So anytime you want to buy an impulse, if you track your expenses, be like, the money is not supposed to like go this direction, if that makes sense. So you're like, no. So learn how to track your expenses. It's going to save you more money in 2023. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it. Please like this video and drop your comments in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of everything I said in this video, or if you have like more things to say. I really love to read your comments on these things. Please do well to drop them in the comment section down below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, and don't forget to say thank you to our sponsor of today, which is YouTube subscribe button. Yes, by clicking on it, it's absolutely free, I promise you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.